Another day, another story. Title: Pull-ups versus chin-ups. Which is better for muscle building? Introduction. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of bodyweight exercises and comparing two powerhouse upper body workouts: pull-ups and chin-ups. These functional movements not only enhance your strength but also sculpt your arms, shoulders, core, and back. But what sets them apart? Let's uncover the key differences between these two exercises, explore the muscles they target, and weigh the benefits of each. Don't forget to watch till the end, you won't want to miss this. Exploring the exercises. First things first, both pull-ups and chin-ups involve the same pulling movement, which means they engage similar muscle groups. Back muscles, shoulders, arms, and core, they're all in the game. However, their unique grips give each exercise a distinct twist. Targeted muscle groups. Host. Chin-ups, with their supine hand position, put a greater emphasis on your anterior chain, your chest and biceps. On the other hand, pull-ups place more focus on your posterior chain, including your back, particularly the lower trapezius. Muscle engagement. Graph showing muscle activation percentages. Research reveals interesting insights about muscle activation. During chin-ups, your biceps are 52% more engaged, while pull-ups work your lats 14% harder, all in a single bodyweight repetition. Optimal training. But here's the catch. Muscle growth isn't just about one representative. To maximize gains, we need to bring our sets close to failure. Chin-ups, being slightly easier due to the biceps involvement, often allow us to do more reps. When adding weights, chin-ups still shine, enabling us to load up those gains. Range of motion. Interestingly, a study from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research points out that chin-ups involve an 8-degree greater range of motion in the elbows compared to pull-ups. This extra range makes chin-ups an excellent choice for those looking to bulk up their biceps. Choosing your focus. Now, let's talk strategy. If you're aiming for well-proportioned lats and want a lift that targets them harder, pull-ups step into the spotlight. These are less fatiguing and excellent for pushing your lats closer to failure. For those stubborn lats, pull-ups offer a way to emphasize them while minimizing the risk of other muscles taking over. Adding variety. Switching it up is key to progress. Whether you're using angled bars or gymnastics rings, these variations provide a more comfortable grip, a natural position for effective pulling. You can still lift as much weight, but it's gentler on your joints. The verdict. So, the big question: which exercise is superior? If you had to choose just one, chin-ups take the spotlight as a better muscle-building choice. They're more accessible, can be loaded up with more weight, and have the potential to yield more muscle growth. However, both pull-ups and chin-ups have their merits and should find a place in your workout routine. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. The lowdown on pull-ups versus chin-ups. Remember, it's not about pitting them against each other. Both exercises have their roles to play in sculpting your upper body. So, why choose? Incorporate both into your routine and watch those gains soar. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a workout tip. Stay strong, stay motivated, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.